Hello all, I am Dr. Surya Shahin and today I am here with the next part of Shakespeare's plays, the objective questions which I will deal here. So your first question is Shakespeare's The Winter's Tale is based on Shakespeare का जो Winter's Tale है वह किस पे बेस है. ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. दिस क्वेश्चन वाज वंस आस्क्ड इन यूजीसी नेट एग्जामिनेशन. एक बार ये क्वेश्चन आ भी गया हुआ है यूजीसी नेट एग्जामिनेशन की. शेक्सपियर की विंटर्स टेल किस पर बेस है. कई बार आपके एग्जाम में इस तरह क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं कि अगर कोई बुक किसी बुक से इन्फ्लुएंस है या उससे उस पर बेस है तो आपको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस जरूर याद रखने चाहिए क्योंकि इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस यूजुअली यूजीसी नेट एग्जामिनेशन में पूछे जाते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड. So your first question is Shakespeare's The Winter's Tales is based on, and your first option is Green's Pendesto, which is a pastoral romance, and second option is An Old English Folklore, third option is Losses Rosalind, and fourth option is Plutarch's Lives. Understand? So you must know that Shakespeare's The Winter's Tale is based on Green's Pendesto. ग्रीन्स पेंडेस्टो पे यह बेस्ड है और ये जो ग्रीन्स पेंडेस्टो जो है वह क्या है. इट इज अ पेस्टोरल रोमांस. द टू क्वेश्चंस हेयर यू फाइंड. अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ आई कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड द क्वेश्चन इज अदर्स अबाइड आवर क्वेश्चन दाउ आर्ट फ्री. अदर्स अबाइड आवर क्वेश्चन दाउ आर्ट फ्री. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कोटेशन इन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. Who said this about Shakespeare? शेक्सपियर के लिए यह किसने कहा है. Others about our question thou art free. Your first option is Matthew Arnold, second option is John Milton, third option is Hazlitt and the fourth option is Dryden. ये क्वेश्चन भी एक बार यूजीसी नेट एग्जामिनेशन में पूछा जा चुका है. Understand? Others about our question thou art free. Who said this about Shakespeare? Understand? So it was Matthew Arnold. It was Matthew Arnold who said about Shakespeare. Others abide our question, thou art free. Understand? So your correct answer would be Matthew Arnold. Now the next question is, if any author deserved the name of an original, it was Shakespeare. अब ये किसने कहा था कि इफ एनी ऑथर डिजर्व द नेम ऑफ एन ओरिजिनल, इट वाज शेक्सपियर. हु सेड दिस? एंड योर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज थॉमस फुलर, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज अलेक्जेंडर पोप, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज जॉन मिल्टन एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज डॉक्टर जॉनसन. अंडरस्टैंड? सो इट वाज अलेक्जेंडर पोप who said about Shakespeare, if any author deserved the name of an original, it was Shakespeare. So your correct answer would be Alexander Pope. Second option. Now the next question is, Shakespeare write his plays uninterrupted between the years 1591 and 1613 except in 1603 and 1612. Why didn't he write any play in 1603? 1603 में शेक्सपियर ने क्यों कोई प्ले नहीं लिखा था? क्या उसका रीजन हो सकता है? You can guess it. So your first option is the theaters were closed in that year. The second option is he was sick. And the third option is both A and B. And the last option is none of the above. So you must know that it was not B, it was not C. He was sick, वह बीमार था इसलिए नहीं लिखा, या थिएटर्स वेयर क्लोज्ड इन दैट ईयर इस वजह से नहीं लिखा, ही was sick इन दोनों की वजह से नहीं लिखा. तो ऐसा नहीं है. In 1603 the theaters were closed. That's why Shakespeare didn't write any play in 1603. So the correct answer would be here A. Now the next question is, which of the Shakespeare's plays is performed at 9 p.m. on June 19? शेक्सपियर की कौन सी प्ले है जो परफॉर्म किया गया था 9 o'clock रात में और वह जून 19 को? Your first option is A Midsummer Night's Dream. Second option is The Tempest. Third option is Twelfth Night. And the last option is All Is Well That Ends Well. So it was not The Tempest. It was not the 12th night, and it was not All Is Well That Ends Well. It was A Midnight's Dream. Understand? It was A Midnight's Dream, which was performed at 9 p.m. on June 19. So your correct answer would be A Midsummer Night's Dream. The next question is, who said Shakespeare has only heroines and no heroes? This is also a very important question. Who said Shakespeare has only heroes? किसने कहा कि शेक्सपियर के प्लेज में सिर्फ हीरोइंस हैं और कोई भी हीरो नहीं है? Your first option is Ruskin, second is Arnold, third is Eliot, and the fourth is Johnson. Understand? So it was not Arnold, it was not Eliot, it was not Johnson. It was Ruskin who said Shakespeare has only heroines and no heroes. So your correct answer would be Ruskin. The next question is, the character Fool in 12th Night serves the purpose of? Your first option is humor, second option is reality of life, third option is interlinking the main and subplots, and the last option is all the three above. So जो कैरेक्टर है शेक्सपियर की प्ले में 12th नाइट में, वह किस चीज़ का पर्पस, कौन सा पर्पस सर्व करता है? So first option is humor, second is reality of life, and third option is interlinking the main and the subplots, and fourth is all the three above. So your correct answer would be D, all the three above. It serves the purpose of humor, it serves the purpose of reality of life, and it serves interlinking the main and subplots. So your correct answer will be all the three above. Fool is a very important character in 12th Night, Shakespeare's play. So you must know about characters from 12th Night. The next question is, which of the following uttered it as the last words before his death? The rest is silence. किसने अपने डेथ से पहले ये स्टेटमेंट बोला था? द रेस्ट इज साइलेंस. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज रोमियो, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज मैकबेथ, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज लियर, and fourth option is Hamlet. So it was Hamlet. Understand? Your correct answer would be Hamlet. So before his death he said the rest is silence. Now I come to the next question, and the question is, Thomas Middleton's romantic comedy The Spanish Gypsy bears some similarities with Shakespeare. So, टॉमस मिडल्टन की जो रोमांटिक कॉमेडी है द स्पेनिश ट्रेजेडी, वो कुछ शेक्सपियर की कौन से प्ले से वो थोड़ी सी सिमिलरिटीज वो बियर करती है? तो ये फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 12th नाइट, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज मच अडू अबाउट नथिंग, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज ऑल इज वेल दैट एंड्स वेल, एंड द लास्ट ऑप्शन इज एज यू लाइक इट. So your correct answer would be As You Like It. Understand? Because in this play, As You Like It, Thomas Middleton's romantic comedy, The Spanish Tragedy, bears some similarities with Shakespeare's play As You Like It. So your correct answer would be As You Like It. The next question is, who is referred to as the pioneer of picturesque novel in English? अब किसको रेफर किया गया है पायोनियर ऑफ पिक्चरिस्क नॉवेल इन इंग्लिश में? ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. सो ये फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज जॉन लिली, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज टॉमस नैश, एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन इज टॉमस किड, एंड द लास्ट ऑप्शन इज टॉमस लॉस. सो ये करेक्ट आंसर वुड बी टॉमस नैश, बिकॉज टॉमस नैश इज रेफर्ड टू एज द पायोनियर ऑफ पिक्चरिस्क नॉवेल इन इंग्लिश. अंडरस्टैंड? सो ये करेक्ट आंसर वुड बी टॉमस नैश. So these are the very important questions, and these were the second part from Shakespeare's question, Shakespeare's plays. So now I will meet you in the next class.